Now just go to servers basically, so you will see now everything is empty. So basically what we will going to do now is that we will going to add one server. Okay, so in your case also it will be kind of totally empty, or it may look something like this basically. Okay, like this. Okay, so now what we will going to do is that we will going to select the options, and you can see in just few clicks you are good to go. You just do not need to do any coding. And now you can see here, first at very top it is showing applications and server details. Okay, so from the WordPress, select to latest version. If you want to build e-commerce website, so just go with WooCommerce as well. If you want to create a PHP kind of website, then you can choose this option. But of course inside WordPress also you can just add plugin of WooCommerce, so the meaning is totally same. So just choose this version 6.0 or whatever you will see here. So just choose the latest one, latest version. So the latest version right now it's 6.0 when I am recording the class, but in your case it can be more in future. So just select the latest version like this and put your application name. So for example I will put, for blog, and the server will be, for blog server basically, or whatever you want, or I can say WordPress server, so that will kind of look more great. And here I will just add WordPress. Okay, name of your project, I can say build uh, WordPress website, simple. Okay, and then you can just select the different cloud hosting services. So there are many, as I have told you, most popular are this one, that is DigitalOcean, and they are very much affordable and very fast and secure. So very affordable is these three, that is DigitalOcean, Volta, Linode, and AWS and Google Cloud Platform is kind of expensive. Okay, so you can see basically, if you will select to Amazon AWS, so you will need to pay a lot of money. So here you can see here, it will also going to give you the payment, that if you will choose Amazon AWS, so monthly you need to pay this much. Okay, so you can just choose the most popular, and if you have a good amount of traffic and if you are earning a lot, so you can just go with this last two platform. But if you are a beginner, but even for pro, you can also go with DigitalOceans or these three of them, so all are same. Okay, so I will just choose DigitalOcean. And now the server size, so if you are totally a beginner, so I will going to suggest, this 1 GB, and 1 GB is, this will be more affordable. You can see it will only going to cost you $10. Okay, but if you will just go with this, 1 GB, so here what will going to happen, it is premium, so it will going to give you more speed. Okay, so in that case you can just go along with that. There's nothing much different, only of $2 different. Okay, $2 difference. So it's totally up to you, whatever you want. If you think that your website is more big, so you can just go ahead and increase it as many as time you want. Okay, so it's totally up to your website. If you're a beginner, so you can just go with this 1 GB, either just normal 1 GB or just premium 1 GB. Okay, so if you're a beginner, so in my case I am beginner for this website, so I will just select this one. Okay, and then monthly I will need to pay $12. But make sure you guys apply my coupon code, that is Bing Commerce, BING, Bing COMMERCE, Bing Commerce, as I have shown you in the presentation. So it will going to give you more discount on $12. Okay, that's it. And okay, everything is great. And now, okay, so you can see that for DigitalOcean it will cost $12 for 1 GB, but for that same, 1 GB in Volta it will cost you $13. And for Linode it will going to cost $12, same as DigitalOcean. And in AWS, for very small it will going to cost you $36. So it's kind of very much expensive, you can see, for small. Okay, so just go with DigitalOcean, it will be good for beginners like you. Okay, if you are. and just ignore this detail for now. The most amazing thing about this is that in future if you want to increase to 2 GB, you can easily do that by one click. Okay, so right now you can just ignore this, uh, message. It is just saying that 1 GB is very much low for, and it is only for websites which have very much low traffic. So for that 1 GB is great, but still you can just go ahead in future if you will going to get traffic, so increase it, you can just do it by one click, that's it. Okay, and then we have the option of location. Okay, so in location you can just select your location, so wherever you are located, and so just choose very much close location to that. For example, if you live in UK, so London is very much close server for you. And for example, if I am from India, okay, so in India I have very much close is Bangalore. So in the Bangalore they have one server, so I can choose Bangalore for India, right? And for example, if you are from US or anything, then you can just go to San Francisco, and if you are some from Asian countries, you can just go with Singapore as well. But in my case I will just go ahead with the Bangalore, because it is a state in India itself, right? So they have one server in India only. But just select the servers, it is not necessary that in every country they have the servers. Just choose the very much close server from where you live. Okay, and after you will do this, just click on this launch button, and it is now adding the server. Okay, great. Okay, so you can see that they have created servers for you. Now it will going to take approx 7 minutes for them to create one server for you. So right now you do not need to worry. Okay, just wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and then they will going to create server for you guys. Okay, so now guys, they have sent me one message saying that the server which we have created is successfully completed. You can just refresh your website, and then after 10 minutes basically you will be able to see this. They will also going to message you. Okay, so now I can see that my basically server is created. Also you will see this thing that your trial will run for 3 days. You can just upgrade your account from here. Okay, again the same thing, just put the all credit card details and everything, and that's it. Otherwise they will going to ban you. Okay, so make sure you guys first go ahead and uh, put all the payment informations, okay, for safety. Oops, let me just log in. Okay, so here is my CloudWays server. Now here you will see that WordPress is installed here. You can just tap on here, basically just tap here, and then you will be able to see that your WordPress is basically installed, right? You can also add basically all the websites from here as well, not a big deal. So you can just tap here, you can add more servers from here as well. Okay, this is so simple. You can see with you haven't done any kind of coding or anything, and you have created your website immediately. Okay, so if you will just click on this application URL, so you will just click on this URL, you will go to your WordPress website, right? Amazing. So of course this is a temporary domain. You have to point your WordPress website to your domain. Okay, so we will also going to now tell you how basically you can take one domain from one website called as GoDaddy, or you can also go ahead with Namecheap as well. And then we will going to connect our WordPress website with our domain names. Okay,